What human foods can cats enjoy too? Have you ever been enjoying a tasty treat when your cat gave you those "I want some too" eyes? Sharing your food with your cat can be a fun way to bond. But it's important to know which human foods are safe and even good for cats to eat. Let's go on a food adventure to find some human foods that will make your cat purr with joy. 1. Meat that has been cooked. Since cats are naturally meat eaters, it's not a surprise that they like small amounts of cooked meat. You can choose chicken, turkey, or lean beef. Just make sure they are fully cooked and don't have any sauces or spices on them. Don't forget that balance is key. 2. Fish. Fish is another high-protein food that many cats love. People like salmon and tuna a lot, whether they are cooked or, in small amounts, raw. But be careful with raw fish because it might have bugs, and if you do decide to eat it, make sure it's boneless and fully cooked. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a healthy food for your cat because they are full of protein. Cats can eat scrambled or boiled eggs without any flavor once in a while. They also have a lot of vitamins and important amino acids. 4. Non-starchy foods. It's true that some cats like to nibble on certain vegetables. Carrots, peas, green beans, and other steamed or boiled veggies can add extra nutrients and fiber to your cat's diet. Just make sure to slowly introduce them and watch how your cat reacts. 5. Pasta or plain rice. Plain cooked rice or pasta can be a boring but comforting food for cats who are sick. Because it's gentle on their digestive system, it can help with any stomach problems they may be having. But give them small amounts of food not too often, because cats mostly need protein in their food. 6. Fruits. Cats don't like sweet tastes very much, but a small amount of some veggies can be tasty. As a snack every once in a while, try giving them little chunks of ripe banana, melon, or cooked pumpkin. Just make sure to take out any seeds or pits first and add them slowly to avoid stomach problems. 7. Dairy products, in small amounts. Not all cats can't handle dairy, despite what most people think. As a treat, some cats can handle small amounts of dairy goods like plain yogurt or cheese. But many cats can't handle lactose, so it's best to watch how they behave and limit the amount of dairy they eat. Keep in mind that these foods are safe for people to give to their cats in small amounts. But they should never be used instead of a healthy cat food made just for them. Before making big changes to your cat's diet, you should always talk to your vet first. Especially if your cat already has a health problem or can't eat certain foods. So, the next time you're eating and your cat gives you those "please share" eyes, feel free to give them a small taste of one of these things that cats already like. Just make sure to put their health and happiness first above all else, and you'll have many wonderful times together. Can cats eat these things along with cat food? Of course. Human foods are fine for cats to eat as treats every once in a while, along with their normal cat food. In fact, giving them a little variety in their food can make them feel better and stimulate their senses. But here are some important things to keep in mind. It's important to be moderate. Cats can eat some human foods, but they should only be given to them in small amounts as treats once in a while. Most of their food should be high-quality cat food that is made to meet their unique nutritional needs. Balanced nutrition. Cat food is made to give cats the right amount of vitamins, minerals, fats, carbs, and proteins to stay healthy. Human meals should not replace their food, but rather add to it. Talk to your vet. Always talk to your vet before giving your cat any new human foods. They can give you specific advice based on your cat's age, weight, health, and any food allergies it may have. Keep an eye out for allergies or sensitivity. Cats can be allergic to or sensitive to certain foods, just like people can. Slowly give your cat new foods and watch for any bad responses, like vomiting, diarrhea, or changes in behavior. Stay away from harmful foods. Cats should never eat certain things that people eat because they are poisonous to them. Onions, garlic, grapes, raisins, chocolate, caffeine, booze, and anything with xylitol are some of these. You should always make sure that the food you give your cat is safe. By following these tips and giving your cat human foods as treats every once in a while along with their regular cat food, you can make mealtimes more fun for them while still making sure they get the nutrition they need to grow. Should I only feed my cat cat food? It is usually a good idea to feed your cat mostly high-quality cat food for a number of reasons. 1. Nutritional balance. Cat food is made to meet certain nutritional needs that cats have. It has the right amount of vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and carbs for their health and well-being. 2. Needs for protein. As obligate predators, cats need to eat a lot of proteins from animal sources. Animal proteins are the main ingredient in most commercial cat foods. This makes sure that your cat gets the necessary amino acids it needs for muscle growth, maintenance, and overall health. 3. The amount of taurine. For cats, taurine is an important amino acid that helps keep their hearts, eyes, and reproductive systems healthy. Taurine is added to cat food to make sure that cats get enough of this important nutrient and stay healthy. 4. Digestive health. Cat food is made to be easy for cats to digest, which lowers their chance of stomach problems like diarrhea, vomiting, or constipation. 5. Dental health. Certain kinds of cat food are made to help keep your cat's teeth healthy by preventing tartar and plaque buildup. Pet owners can give their cats small amounts of some human foods as treats once in a while. But cat food should be their main source of nutrition to make sure they stay healthy. If you want to change your cat's diet or give it new things, you should always talk to your vet first to make sure you're meeting all of its nutritional and dietary needs. What else could you feed your cat besides food? Even though cat food is the best way to make sure your cat gets all the nutrients it needs, there are a few other things that can be used to boost their diet. Cat food made at home. Some pet owners like to make their own cat food at home using recipes that are carefully balanced to meet the nutritional needs of their cat. If you go this way, you must work with a veterinarian or veterinary nutritionist to make sure that the homemade food has the right amount of fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. A diet of raw foods. Cats that eat raw food get meat, bones, and innards that have not been cooked. This is similar to what cats would eat in the wild. Some people who believe in raw meals think that it is better for cats because it is more natural and biologically appropriate. But it's important to be careful when handling raw meat to avoid getting germs on it, and some cats don't do well on raw food. Commercial raw food. Some pet food companies make raw food meals for cats that are sold in stores. These diets are made to meet cats' nutritional needs and give them the benefits of a raw food diet without having to prepare the food at home. Diets that you have to follow. If your cat has a certain health problem, like kidney disease or food allergies, your vet may suggest a prescription diet that is specially made to meet its specific nutritional needs. You can get these meals with a prescription, and they are meant to improve your cat's health and well-being as a whole. Before making any big changes to your cat's diet or giving it new things, you should always talk to your vet first. Their suggestions will be unique to your cat and will be based on its age, health, and any food allergies it may have. They can also help you pick the best food for your cat so that it gets all the nutrients it needs to keep growing. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.